Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact fixed chocolate Dubai product you want and why. Flavor and size matter for melting and storage. Once done, log into the seller or marketplace account and choose quantity. Make sure shipping to Dubai is enabled. Next, add the item to cart and proceed to checkout. Pause to verify delivery dates and any perishable handling options. Remember to have your payment method and a phone number ready so the courier can reach you quickly. At checkout, choose the correct shipping option. If available, select refrigerated or temperature-controlled delivery to prevent melting. Then enter payment details and apply any promo codes or loyalty credits you have. Make sure taxes and customs fees are displayed so there are no surprises. Once paid, confirm delivery instructions. Tell drivers about gates, buzzer codes, or safe drop locations. Finally, save the order number and screenshot confirmation so you can track progress and share details with the courier if needed. When your fixed chocolate Dubai arrives, inspect the box and product temperature immediately. If it feels warm or the seal is broken, note issues before signing. If everything is fine, accept and store in a cool place. If damaged or melted, take clear photos of packaging, product, and thermometer reading. Then contact the seller within 24 hours and provide the order ID and proof. You can request a refund, replacement, or partial credit. If the seller stalls, escalate through the platform using your documentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.